omuka ukrom kasa no ema wote ase ono de say ne yafrafrem ni afrafrem ne de enamo eti uni omotena ema language no wo kasa esesa wote ono nya afi na ode brofo no te say enti eja fiala na CJ ye de enam na eneso de ensem no CJ ebi wo ho papa enu asa ote si yesi ashaman police station inmates na wo honom no 26 are tested positive for COVID-19 senka
ekuya okay dey for anu si
unim say senka nwuma hoduo mu no senka ye test no ye tumi aye mass testing no ke university for ma ye hu ni omu ye bo omu bo hu dawuro omu discovery ni omutumi ye test kits na omu se omutumi aye no omu ye nya ntie se omu de call FDA and FDA so ka say acha no within 15 days se bibia koyi a e wo so omutumi aye ne sese omu ye ebre no enuro na omu se 15 days mum but omu ma ye nya ntie se we are not in normal times eti ni omu be ye bia no omu be ye ntem eti omu ma ye hu ehwehwemu na duru he se sa test kits na ye ready a test no omi ehu si ejayo because ije anope na wo ka sembi na wo ka sembi fa nipa no a omudi animu a yeso omunye test no omu a chese omu wo isolation center se bi a chese self isolation for na wo fie no hu se ye wo nipa bi omu monitor omu e wo fie ni ba bi omu wo mu cars no omu de ye adwuma na wo kan se yesi ye je ni a rebrand for NIA Nessa omo adwuma no ye put stop to it ana omo adwuma ni ye jai ena ya de CJ won say nipa bebre even MPC kura shiro so ombe ye test no
yakọ yanim na isia ya ahomboa se obetwra abato
din no
din foforo no se yetimi hu niam a wodi agu akwan so
Kohobra na ye COVID-19 nefisa enoso ye betumi di akom
Reverend Swebo Kwakwa Director of Electoral Services Electoral Commission o ahoma so mene no entwetwe enkomo ya menipa asomdwe nkan
Ngawozo
awode wo ho
emada ma me ho
e da nyame ase Ghana for pese ye hu ye ya ahoboa ayemse na opese obisa se yenso ye hu tese ho
bajan
ye hu ye pa adom ye hu ye ye pese ye hu ye ya ahoboa abetwere ye din in the midst of COVID-19 you say at the last IPAC meeting modern shisha egu akwan so ya ba the various registration centers abetre yidin no mode ebebo ye ho ban na mo so adwumayefo no so matimi ede abom ho ban wadarma ye hye nkomotwetwe no ase fa san shisha ye no emu wadarma sofo
yeah we need to be sure for so that kind no in for apobdi pe from ya tia COVID number and young koi into I say a fair crab of side boy brown into the I say a or more penifona COVID criminal I shape Bibri and Abasa into an amount between after a between realization and Maubiania program. Until the cano, I told the moment Ghana at the temperature no. Into be over it's instant biano, the Russian temperature. The show temperature as a temperature no was so do a apomidin phobia mono or mere mobile 1990 from na or my background to Umbanas or say Omroko, I said the answer mobile with the bonum de abo. Into a very witness a baby come out. Now, the amount the Verenka the soon shoe seminar won't be beer na without horror. They say answer no do us no be so wash a mask. And do won't say we are a beer ya mark wo say baba physical distancing number we better take. The work with them e do so a no akọ table no. We table one but for the forms na we are now those are to if you na the first fingerprint no so. We start to we are near the a subir. If we are now where you mask on near Chong Funny. A Chong Funny we are now sound to mask in Asia. Now, if you carry the card, Mawa, now PSA, no sounds the insurance 100 and that. A bouncer, now, Tisani.
Well, you jump for it. You better take facial recognition. Me boy, Rev.
And then some people jump for the internet here.
And to honor obey you mask, no?
Internet here.
And you who do so wash your mask na where ye would do any my bank camera na ye chow phone.
Is that camera no camera which I said and one fan that when my more distance into and you was I said them because any but when don't come over play. So jump for now one that body chatty. One for any back there was about to now and I'm saying no what in our rules are all the status you say if you so. But time I there and no and tell when you mouse space.
Okay. Nipa do sign a mo share nim say mo betimi register mo within the 40 days.
Yeah, he came get the sure is about 16 million or 16.5.
16 million or 16.5.
Sanity.
Ade amode cluster system ni be adwuma. Doc.
Anu na be adwuma. You were 33,367 polling stations. Into Yachem Num. And the one group, you have 5 groups, and now 5 faces. In the first phase for now, on the 6,780. Into Mono, you should say this. Into which we are near Dako, Ajahumena, and Yamasanakope. Now, I quote the second group on also 6,781. Also, say this. We are near the one day, I say, after Namaya Asa, near group 3, the same arrangement, group 4, the same arrangement, group 5, and so say, say this, and say, we are, after any attachment in that group now, so much. So, 5 police stations now, we have money in every year, no. The Mohina, if you are BBC and to men, BBC and to men, we are, or 3 days on the Mopa, next the area. And the 33,367 polling stations, Obia Benya says this, or the actually, Yabako how to be out of a Bia and Yabaho. The Gasson system in Chetabia, a 5 in a boom, 5 in a boom, but Yabako Bia, or the team, one team in charge of our 5, no, Tomokoha, Makoha, Aquabia says this, on the area.
But look, when say one challenge with this cluster system on the day of election. And it's a Meko polling station A no ABI obey miensa ABC Meko A akodi line mu bedroom so e be share register ni so din ni ha ko B that is the challenge. How do you intend to
maybe I want to ask you you see polling station they say there class and account boom you to one place and I walk out class and get there polling station 5 and I belong to one cluster and then one cluster get more one team area meduma. But the polling station be a could trade in the 5 I'm good in one place in a match. And to be out to Abanavana, but I could show the Akotuaba. And the other woman go to another polling station. But what I hear?
Me at was here, me did say be a tear from super person better because that is the concern. Basically,
young fan say, as Empire polling station, Adom polling station. Joy FM polling station. Joy News polling station. Now Adom TV polling stations.
Okay.
I have 5. Now I am one cluster.
Okay.
Into the team never trade, Almost at Adom FM. I'm beginning for 5 says this. Now your mom trouble Adom FM from Kwa. Area no mom Adom TV. I also says this. No mom I'm trouble Adom TV for near FM for says this. Area near called Joy FM. You go down for says this. Mom true about Adom Joy FM no musumatwe mudi. Area near called Joy News. Because I go down for says this. No mom true about Joy News no musumatwe mudi. Area near called Sempa for says this. Near called trading on the other. You kusu akono bi amra. Yes sir. Polling station bi a ne bako. Nti baby out to aba no ho na baka kuche odi. Okay. Da better ko to aba na. Baby out to odi no. Ho na ko to aba no.
Okay, and how na person me say nti say me throw me din e wo say Adom FM ha me beto aba aha na sese mba beto maba enya de abeka so udin ni ha udin no akodie bi asempa ana udin no akodie bi joy ana bibisa
Baby, says this in I will Adom FM wo. Nti ho na betwam na mudi nti mu amutwe mudi Adom FM wo no. E wa asem ko na makoto maba.
Okay. Yambra homboa no so far yete say mo kra BVDs bi aba abedru sa abedru adodo say na aba. Doc. Eguso
e buy in batches nti but am be say di na nyina aba.
Me ba 20 so far say na Monsaka.
But me eguso me nka mo yitikim na mo yiru nti bet. Even she say by so first or second week of June na nyina aba. Eguso till the time na betwe di na nyina aba.
But as Sembisabium so say the ending of June Ramakano, there's no specific there's no specific date. Say 21st June and 28th June. And I want to find out if you can help us. That what here, mobile registration no ase. Doc.
Yeah, programs in now telephone chance na finalizing finalize last week of June no. The date baba. Nti I'm say not less than 21 days until Baba Mobia Abrano, but within last week of June, Yabashasi. Now, men Kabiam say, Wuka Kuchu dinner, so they at the dear Katako, I should say, what? Nasa at the dear Kata, and I say, at the dear Kata, Unfun Bosso. The Emremuno, ya propose to say, also the Ghana card, and I say, passport. Unisa we mubiana for ngofo menu medu adase na menchim say the chairman say so community na no munye npa menu a omukura Ghana card ana passport no mutwom din a omutwom din omsa card na omugina wa omutu betuma guarantee ama ngofo du sa ngofo du no so ya guarantee ama omso nyom sam kata no a omso betuma gina no omso so guarantee nkondo utwo oye guarantee ma no a na omso guarantee ama obi nti ya dia abekse tour uni passport den da uni passport ne Ghana card want to be udi once obi a nimpa ni net ma guarantee am ko poten no mo so mutwum di na do mo do benya card no se nchara e challenge we for card ma te no to guarantee be an challenge udi a e wona me mo passport wo Ghana card na e wo Adom FM nti e twe din wi na no e gina hwa na omo a mo ba na eni mo no e so guarantee am omo e betu guarantee am ko food Sanko food to you almost second day now. I'm to me any permit to guarantee money pedu. Indeed, then put my enteba and no 50. Charge 50 and so we am card no smart guarantee a corner. If it is a snowball for neck, say unicada on ye. And now constitution article 42 say Ghana be our 18 years no. Mrama kwanza utumitre udin na utumitu aba. Some mandate na dama electoral commission. And you be biara bit mama ya go contrary to the constituency and you know to biara remember control training din na be ready to training din biano over training din san na benaso.
But doc enya juma dodo say ma call trade me dey me say aka me card na because I say me guarantee mo obi nti I say me gina ho na me di agina mu mani pa be do ansa na metimi afri ho wi a we so agina ho ansa na metimi guarantee am obi ansa na we afri ho is not going to be too cumbersome. Doc
say I guarantee and you new to know first now to guarantee ma 5 this I'm not to guarantee ma 10 and answer so in bakon kwan dia other out on answer was sign keke we ada say we answer yes me ko me no smith na was an one do some system I what to be as a trading a obi oni identification e guarantee ma no the not go for
40 days and I'm the betro edin no
okay 38 days
across the over 33,000 polling stations in Nina.
And to Mammy Chemintro. Mr. Marcus, there were 5 receiving centers per cluster. And a cluster be says this. In the systems 5 no 30. And a real one says to be an idea of Modapo, then also be 4. Now 34. And after 34 days, next day, Juna 1 in a week. The net also 35 no. No matter how you say, if you here, if you call Adom FM no, says this will be in suit a BBC gentleman and told me now. And then I answer mop up and you were 3 days. Tonight 35 parts, now 38.
Matthias here. But and many National Communication Officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, to train Komo. In fact, he's challenging your ability to be able to compile this register, provide a provisional register to the various political parties before the election. And the argument in say, Dr. Yemi, say even after CI no amateur na yamamu isi green light no say mun conduct exercise no mu isi no mu document na mu gazette details of all registration centers na fe mu making available to the various political parties 21 days prior to the start of the registration exercise. But was a sanatia, is this achievable?
So not less than 21 days. Now gazette the 1 day activity. Gazette the 1 day activity. Ntemino kase kwa gazette dada.
I see.
Gazette dada. And then I say if na ge bia na ya mom. I don't omo de ka no. Ntemino kase ya me phone so na me forward my inform. Yes sir. And no yeah activity with a click of a computer and a phone, bet me the amount is here. And
by September, provisional register bet me I could draw the various political parties no Nsem.
The issue is say we ending of July now. Yeah, the August by year all the documentation, no depth of education, one with the whole month, no. No. We are in September, by year exhibition. We are supposed to come now October nomination. December election. Just the BBR then no answer. In the Empire and Bonsi and Copama, the Yamima, who didn't go there. Be able to say the share no Yashisha. Said the two in answer, I did plan. Said that also on a power over June, I do by Yansan with my bus station. Yes, so in say election to Yuma. There should be an agreement with our plan, the young meeting, the young research. Cadibio say be an area, preparation be an area, but a black cousin been from a chance on a mom, final approval now, they're rolling out.
Well, sir, registration, you're quite a name, should the registration go on? What is going to happen to all the COVID-19 cases in quarantine? One more quarantine. Requirement number 5 so I register.
Emremuno, who could do baby a polling station. But let me can say if we in July now, inclusive the BBC to be before exhibition now bar. So I'm going to be match with him and and I said, yeah, quarantine, not to be a doctor to know my advice. Yeah, the first time and the man must be actually until they drew her. Maybe who said, South 30 days, you know, Harmon and Twancho Mudi, and then with my album, commission will take a decision.
And did I ban the timetable name? Doc.
Oh, may what you say by next week, this time you're not about.
Okay, maybe some more quarantine, but just in case, we'll do a treatment center during the time of registration. Or treatment center be a sabia facility be an abibisa sani pakrono kwambe no mefa so anya akwanya e da tro omudin anam betimi aboa masafo no metimi atro omudin
na me kan say emrem ke so ko polling station akotwe odi nti omo na bibi nti bia o ma quarantine no ye ne apomdin penfo no be nse electoral commission will come out and arrangement say e be agency na say e be nse ko ye dem ka say bia by time I be 30 days in a you can yankopon abo na san ko mo ato mo a wo a ho ato no betimi akọ no akotwe oni wo residing centers na say I didn't be to kwem e be yam.
But is it possible sir me want isolation center and me want treatment center na apondage my for e be jai me say memra me medi line na me metwere midin about to kratem is that feasible enough doc?
No but you am ka say no enja ma apondage number 4 no so ana enja say let's be no why ya obi a it the better kwanda o say ya be ye akwase bi a omo no yentimi on bi so a na ehu because emran no say we try do our polling station ndi ni ada arrangement no chi say benefo na no do committee fu answer nti bi a bibi nti man but say apart from covid for no ye onkofo bi am so be ya yare amoda Ayasabia, Nina and Bayan, and Tinina, and Bildua, and paid for better decision.
Okay. Right, I'm saying at the best here for now. BBN Besaka Sabio. That's a power brand up when you're mine. That's
your mention. Now, that Ben of your reverend.
Now, when I'm your reverend. No, that's it. Coming shower so. Dr. Sriwa Kweko is the Director of Electoral Services at the EC. And I mean, actually, and Kobono. Well, for message, bra, on Facebook, comments, you're back in kind amount. And our WhatsApp 055 674 8029 055 674 8029. Mekuya.
Sija, someone can baby son will be say you. Who say, Papa, why you ma be Obi or Shassi, no, a trade, no, afaha, no, dear copy electoral commission. Think I'm babies, I say, so I was saying this offer so I can. Nature as any uncle, Professor Michael Quay. Pepe. And now, on one can say, you want to say, there be any when you I've been over quite so for the. But
before I mean, Doc Becca say, na, yeah, and I pay me best start program, me raise issues be. And there were just questions.
Yeah.
And some beside. Say, no cre. Say, Casa COVID-19 response team. One more day a year, Dumano, pickups in Fitano. Ya be Jeffrey woman some ya rebrande. Ediama, and I fuana. Ebiamun so say, Sakula be eba, Asasa Kulano, Enyaba me yajitumwa. Okwaya COVID-19 tester.
You have to pay.
Yabajusika.
CJ Unim. And no dear Kamijidi sen na country noa. Yes, so moon testing to be so muso had ye been piano and ye do. If say Parliament Kurano, ye ca so moon testing when ye coso, Obia and Peso be ye. And he said, oh, would ye acquire ye won't yen yo tree, would ye corner quire yen discriminating in Suninano, a young cransha ye di senipano, among Mako. Enti se kwabasi ye kase ye Jessica ebeyire ebedu biribia me ya Jessica ba ye nuru ho CJ ye nuru ho kura enti minim agenda wo ho
Amengo humanu so na me Professor Ransford Jampo a political analyst me no entwetwen komo Prof Afishapa
Afem committee
Pacho so hu ye de
Uname Adom
Nyamiase Prof Bruhaha over voter register, especially during election years. And not the fufro, but the current issues are far CIA, Aquadam, Rashebe Jeffie, and near easy for one more pese MPs, pass the among one more breeder documents are one more edge issues are minority for plus other civil society organizations, one more a raisy. On steps are easy no a takey from your point of view. Who is saying, Doc?
No, that's it. It's I'm say Ubia and a position why intransigent about. We say men I'm one mandate and Sana May. We also say so which me idea just over a dead body in as for what as I say say the easy no I will mandate say or carry out elections making sure say elections are very credible, very free and fair, peaceful and transparent. And until almost for say in share paper as I say omodi gu akwemu ebema our mandate no aye better discharge that omo ho kwan say omoye na minim so wonimu a EC chairperson Mrs. Jane Mensa na you 14 years I say me feel I honor me feel up and also the appointing no at the chairperson of the EC to cause me meaning one dance here let me I can say or mamma unknown to many people, no, or Obi also Yamifa. Na after so no, Jim FM. Or Obia, on mediocrity. I did be a whole national force between me in year, or year no so be, and then I support maybe my dream on my first say. Also say election administration, election management, between me and papa, and manaye, ye, entina, bia, O2, and among bia, as I say, let me say O2 no. Now, so I'm the challenge, Kakra, I walk on the say, I told the bia, na, or papa, and a zeal bia, onipa kitase, or the baby bino. So why in shiny year? Now I share environment na would this zeal no humana. Why share na you may sincerely commit some errors or blunders and without a beer a jemboni beer. Well, until near me when I said I mean so up pay you money up say election administration pay about to honor I better no credible. Until she say or the guaquem. But let me say environment and also so to say ISO charged and polarized. And but the point is we say no mandate mandate over career it will be over our dead bodies. Near what say mandate na a battle commission it must be exercised with some trepidation, particularly in the face of polarization. It must be exercised with some caution. It must be exercised responsibly, particularly in the face of tension, polarization, and division. So, I'll be sure. 2006, and you pass a Ghana for a war abruchiri so motoaba. A representation of the People's Amendment Law, 2006. This I won't say. I didn't and I find into me and Fanny Juma. This I won't say. I didn't and I shall also say into me and Fanny Juma. Only now no more mandate. Na this I won't say. Then Tina to say me Jim didn't say to say near my air question until you bet to me the Rupano assign Ayejuma. Not just say Bibi Wawa, it to me bear Sanka, it mean mandate to know. You have to be cautious in exercising it. Who be afraid now? But catch yourself. The entire way to me and Farupa and Ayejuma say, even though no mandate, no say, no, it's a political party, no, or my dream to me come and grow. I walk you. Until now, I am just saying, so why you say ye, and I say, what they call you Juma, why you say, a jabetum, and that's so forth. Now, over the years, near me, and I say, electoral commission for no, and yeah, the patrol, my men's electoral commission, Pan American, but since 1992, electoral commission has been lazy in building consensus among its key stakeholders. Well, a kind of consensus building, and that's all the occurrence now. How can we and one know? A bit school form we to meet records be a friend of conflict resolution and a consensus building. A idea you said that issue a building expertise. Entina obi to say Austin Gami, Ofi Ejuma was a minister, former minister of employment, or Koti Ejuma Bia, a friend of Gami and Gamia. What Nejuma say or settle disputes and build the consensus or settle conflict among workers and labor front and as a whole. Well, and the art of building consensus, and also a Juma sum so a Dukojina to me Bianwa, as I said, to me a year now to me fat and also come with Juma. Well, now over the years since 1992, near me may want to say, electoral commission for no, almost stakeholders no kushia. Now say, ano baba and it will be na pemwa jeze ina pemi ye pe na Ubronika said then they resort to lines of least resistance by simply saying say we have the mandate. And say only of the kind of say assembly nkuti pe na amotwili ekudina ka say ekra yen you tumi see ebe nia e pese ebe 2 minutes there omo so mbe ni on pese mbe. But at the end of the day wo ye na say I'm fast in Yamba. There will be no political parties, and there will be no electoral commission. There will na wa uti konso wa wuye juma. Means I want to make us say no will be nowhere. Me catch so say bra Liberia for conflict by no. Me share judge ni bia na ofi or LIJ or ofi Liberia not all ton de okwa judge ni all ton de okwa Ghana. And you know, you post now, ye dino, our Ghana Hano. As I see in such a way, say, ye post no now, we have to be mindful of the fact that you better make the post now, not just say, assume James to see then our mind more. Now say, assume in your mind more, I won't the post, means the post. Well, and you know, the rigid application and emphasis of mandate in going about every task, must be ushered, must be done with some sense of discretion and also with some sense of caution, so that we are not ushered into a regime of robots. Say, na me mandate, no se menyenti sa na me ye say, the oye ne beba anase the basa de bakra no sa na meye it make us na Mr. Electoral Commission for say they should no makofa ayi for the first time. There is an for the first time Electoral Commission article be from eminent advisory committee. It is an innovation owura yere Jimensa we introduce no the minimum say to be the advisory committee for ejuma or the advisory committee for ejuma pa or believe in eminent advice coming from reputable and well trusted people. And you know Mr. Advisory Committee almost also no who sure send you or more niema say the first meeting there omoye and as omoye na no omujina baby pako. They should do better. Because munko buana niemani ya nyesa munko ya ni bia one position na mujina, and you are not reaching out to the rest to the other positions or people who are also holding on to intransigent position. Omunyere na omunye bimaso na omonfa mwa Ghana sene beya. They will try to broker peace and broker consensus. After Mesatu Amanyoku for Ninafo, particularly NDC for so. And they said, Electoral Commission has the mandate here to say tone down in the exercise of their mandate, particularly because we are not in normal times now. They are two NDC for so for. And they said, NDC for pay. Depending on where the party is standing, whether our opposition, depend on where the party is standing. I said, opposition for they be on person electoral commission for echo. And also no any idea not just we may also be weakening the independence and credibility of institutions. Constitution amano mandate say onye na ejumano. Na esan say political party for ebekasenti na chese ono so on to mean that independent sense of mind on fine yet near officer or the beye. So yes sir. Now we are not strengthening institutions, we are weakening institutions. And you know the practice another situation now they be opposition for any electoral commission. They be opposition for a legitimate consent or electoral commission.
Prof, what I mean, for instance, Otin Sembi to say over our dead body, and easy for better kratan my after. I mean, the position of opposition for no entity may refer to some of these comments yet from him.
minim at matete no matter how legitimate their concerns may be, almost so as almost tone down. Because one say now and the Empire Electoral Commission no question opposition for once and no one can organize at the election. Yes, to me, and yet then man and bassa into no and yet NDC phone one America and people for opposition the same thing and almost so or more yet. Oh, you know the practice of always fighting the Electoral Commission when you are in opposition, and say Jai, and the practice of always defending the Electoral Commission when you are in power, and also so as I say Jai, because you are here, not to say the piano instead of say Electoral Commission forecast someone one no so be defend the one, and so back now at the one hour power, defend the come Electoral Commission, one opposition. Now I'm also opposition. The moment I want to 1 hour power, become my Electoral Commission, a panel, now opposition for suppose and there's something untoward is happened. If yeah, Electoral Commission Kradama, Abaya was to be a dictating man, it's no opposition for so asking or mobile, or my year almost any young or mobile castle. Well, but a year and a year Electoral Commission, dear, or can ask them what, Yajano. Electoral Commission, more who coins or more for PR for or more fan for Mecasa more Munkofua, a bit different. And tonight, a ruling party, no, or Munjai, somebody or man no attitude to Electoral Commission for Nsem. Because the moment our brothers are in opposition for support, the Mamona Mota Electoral Commission, which may be so an any day. And yes, sir. And you know, only send a bear, and in a at the attention, no, and then Tokwana and Electoral Commission for a buffer. Yeah, as we grow our democracy, we must learn. Now, as a Ghana, over 20 years has started for Republican Democratic parties, and never be a while. Yen to me, not to be a minimum of my electoral politics, partisan politics, to be an answer. We must learn to respect mandates of institutions, and we must learn to appreciate the fact that the Electoral Commission here and there. Ruling partner the spokesperson and opposition for so and yet the Biana SSA Electoral Commission for then a contokwa the Bia opposition that's a winning Electoral Commission not to say institutions now constitution they provide say or mundi a jumabi no now you retain at the end of the day no one shall be at the Electoral Commission. A decision, basic decision as will take it to enhance electoral administration. As I say, we need to say opposition for a becasity. Now, at the ultimate and Yania, so yeah. And to know, me too, any opinion now, say it is important for us to guard jealously against the relapse of our democracy because of certain intransigent positions that we may have taken. Minjin, they say, I am too late. Now, me say advisory committee, electoral commission for eminent advisory committee for no or master or more ABT. Yes, sir. They should go behind the scenes. Most sorry, I must say more quiet IPAC meeting. Na yede echo meka at the eminent at the advisory committee. Or meeting on where say yeah quiet IPAC meeting there they resolve at the. But before very IPAC meeting no. So one can say so politics no or more and said that before that kwako here nipa nipa dodo musa there a bigger IPAC meeting. Now when you what to na yepe asumdia momaya what prevents opinion or that committee now no say me ankasa metu me car me call opposition leader ho me ankasa metu me car me call ruling party leader ho me na mo kwa kasa ofi oni party ni fie no hu say one kasa one nantie simu pampan abani fie so asemo a me pese me na mo kani na one kasa wo ye die and what are your issues will come nyama how anything one no kwa na fe one no brobro so privately to the bia ono onya adwempo a obedu bedwemu a obon say ensem bi oho bia be campo a kabema nyama aye conflictual obon say
prof Mbacho enti na say what can you say easy timi tu sa na mo no na
enye easy no easy for na etu aye advisory committee what you say and almost so no nyama bi omo ye na kire say so no me sure so my said no is also to help in resolving conflict. We share the persona and the caliber of people on that committee now. Come on, penifua. Sabe omakwada they are eminent statesmen and women. And in America, they say, "Oh, person will solve both conflictual situations." Now, you do not just invite people to meetings. And then how be a meeting? No, now one can say, "No, why your homework to be a background behind the same consultation?" Well, when you put in for now, combatants, na kasa. And to know when you kasa okukuma, and some of them omunina ababejum. Do bedroom na would ensure a bubu near my bishop that. I say, Bakusu and the person say, or my wire one, impending for our my or my woman, a war Iranum. The nation has owners, Ghana has owners, and there are elders in this country. Now, in Yama be a cost, Nase, aye, and Yama be a cost with Betiyama or Mina Bois. Obia Akananwatu. Impending for a war my winina, Obia Akananwatu. You be a person Bekasa. Over the weekend, no, and you may be a person to know. Michelle, that send text message, Emma, penning form, be said. One soon for one, two, now one cabby. As I said, Ghana, bois, about that year now. Penning form be a cancer on response, and they say, oh, media, my bomb bravery, a kakra, me, Menai Bako, Esi, who am the name Bakon, so Esi. Could do so one of my foot is in the grave, the other one is on a banana peel. Intermediate near mobile media my bomb brave no near baby. If you don't say men are men can you matem, Mekoka, you beg matem until menka. And yet it's all any air boy a brat to say pinning form for any of my no. To be a sorry, or to me can you be absolute to me any or person or baby. Pinning for accept the Oma bomb of brother in area or my eminent statement. As I say, Omutu champagne in poor combatants in Catchon, say near more ye and some near more ye or yen and a bedroom. Obiam, that's what the Casa. And yet you want the year said that should be a semi-mrana or minor and more. Say, boy, be opening the be a now we will call. And so can you say, Womba and no one animals bedding, a door minum. We are not just a one so wide yapping in fact. In Benin for and the owners of the land, should also rise up and speak to the combatants. How many electoral commission for Nkasa? How many political parties for any of the Nkasa? Send your bayer, all voices will be heard. Na Yashe say Asunje Ebeba in the lead up to our elections.
Prof, I know what's the name, friends here. Professor Ransford Jampo is a political analyst. And Yaneno Acheche and Komono Kofi Dazi sends this one from this one on Facebook. I say, hey, is this Dr. Jampo that I know? He's been very calm and quiet, but he doesn't sound too biased in favor of the MPP government as he used to. What makes him so calm and objective this time?
Prof, or a political analyst, or a lecturer. Ntini pakrona obi sano sano oti. It is CJ.
Okay.
Mamen called the Bonkata so near Srempening for say COVID-19 omoka say yentua sika pa ansa ne aye de test na ene eja obi anko ye.
Okay, me say me de mani to fam. Sansem no me bisa ye no. Over this weekend, me be di akire. Na mahunu no kre. By Jordan no. The magana for aswati.
Good. Yene sama ye. Na nesho ensem no bebre aba voters register and me gidi se wakom bebre mpanimfo a woni watwetwe nkomo yi no wo mo de ho nsem atudwa na general secretary ya oda NDC amanyoko na no Johnson Asiedu Nketia no say wo mo ka se on be prevent EC4 wo mo ma omonye new register no amanfo ka se na mo de mo he wo mo so on be fa mra kwan so o se ye mra kwan so no wo be fa wontwi tuo wontwi agyan omo befa emra kwa so na o mahwe say electoral commission for sa voters register new one na omo de yebeye no omo ntumi enye enti ho nsem de wo de aba ha sei ena empanimfo a wonum so ehwe se wo mayi ani ahokyere ya nipa komo nyina covid-19 ye betumi afiri mu asumwie mu no empanimfo a wo Bank of Ghana say wayi sika 5.5 billion Ghana cedis, so 5.5 billion Ghana cedis. And omayi twa to one mo say yemfa nso asene and ye wani ye nnwuma wonuma bie nnwuma ahokyere ya aba system no mu no yemfa we enso asene ma enema entumi enkoye universities mienu ye wo mayi mu mampani ama wotumi nkrata ya say si ye Pentecost University CJ ebeye university a wode wo ho Siaponi a wode won ho kane no ye kan si o na wuwi a certificate ye kita wo no University of Ghana fo age atumuni akeka na ye de alinke se wode wo ho Pentecost University fo adwuma bia wonu mu ebeye no wo ye ne se ye suapon ya ye de ye ho na All Nations University College ye no so ewo Kofodia school ye ba enye ne wo mo so afei eni ama won krata chese two universities no wo beye wadwuma se suapon mienu a wo bede wo ho ewo wone ma wo beye nyina eti ensem ni bi wo ha Ghana fo bi so ayede wo fi Kuwait ba na no ye kohia wo airport no CJ yes ebi a test positive covid-19 ebi de covid-19 ni bi ebaye etu nya de bon krata ya wa ma ye hu dodo no de na nso se nipa ni bi a tested positive for covid-19 no it is any penny nyina na esa quarantine ne beba so ye be quarantine won kakra ansa ne agyawo amwa kofie na sije unsa asam na wo kan so no yes se no wanhwe ya se ye be quarantine wo so a eho kan nyina wo na abedu wa na abefa eti wadidie mu o adien yo se wa ye wade wo fie di a eti ye twen se ne wo kan ye no weekend misro di akire ne enwe di akire ne enwe
eti se nipa ne nis kan so ebe ne den
na se
ye be jana na kofia na
ene
so wo se me amfa meka ena me zu minister nti wo be me den
wo ni sika dia so de ye cash and carry see was system no
so wo se o quarantine menya yare o quarantine me na me fa quarantine no ho ka ena me zu minister nti wo be jana ma kofia na wo jame ma go fie so a me de asem na ko
ko se
tenge watu se ozi me na me namu na me ko na me nya ne den
asem o
eti e ho no ye hwe ne enka esanse obi o ho a ono quarantine kura won paaye etu ka chezu won ties ka ne ensan quarantine na e be yo ka wo ye hwe ne enka ye fa Ghanaian Observer de obokrata na enfanto aso na Ghanaian Observer no de aba beto monten wo mampanya be de achi ena ne fonyini eda hei na wo panyini nsema wo ka nyina da ene se wo ase mampanyini wa ye krado sa health facilities ahodo no wo ba cheche so pesopia mo bia sa ka ne de wo man mo free krenkren kosi krankran wo nyitwe no yadoa wo ba hwa hu se PPs en wo de man krofo bo bia nya ne de se mask no wo de man krofo bo bia nya ne de se koba se gloves no de man krofo bo bia nya ne de che se bibia betimi aboa ama pomde won se metimi akwanka ni nyina wo chirima wo se man panyin so be ni nyina na we ase ha wo se December elections will happen we free jombo du nchen chotofo panyin wo gina de man MPP amanyuku wo se sonko na ne o manfo so fe afia bato no ebeba so etu amafo mo aboa wo ho na o ka se bia wo ye kokwasa o na wanhwe ana amaso ne ade wanhwe a enso beyira fo ase wo se ebeba so pa na se ano de aba betu dwasa abu Ramadan wo se abato komisa new voters register na wo de ban wo so water na chi pampe ti se school ni ne bag ni nyina da ene se voters register ho sensem e ba ye ne ade nyina abu Ramadan chirimu a wo se de abato komisa ne ye e ade e be boa iti Ghana de hye nyina enta chiri nto mo ye ne yempene no wo mo padro bi no munya complain esemi kan we hona ene Ghanaian Observer de obokrata wo de aba mountain
ene ye chronicle sumuna ye hwe ne chronicle dia be na chronicle say brofu we ye de o si police grab o say krom gangsters ye ka say wuti o say krom na san ye gangster wow
o say krom
Kumina betis ase mu ase. We yanka be papa.
Ana CJ untwam untran o kakrada.
Kuma se de. Yekodin na aba. Say it na ho pa.
Won shada ntran ho da bi. Oh, wa hwe de.
Bi afei na. Waku wode me kofam ho na afei.
Na se betimi akofam o. Na untimi nkotena ho.
Oh, this is lovely.
Now we say how gama.
Sampa na kan say, "Udru ma region udru ma woni dan, woni mbusuani bia wo ho. Eso utumi didi nya ba bi da tena mu te se ne ufiri ho." Wow.
Ade de pa ni so okumas na radio. CJ, wo okumas na radio. Na no we am kofa Israel FM ho yi. Me duru ho body ne apake egu dan ne chese bebrebe. Ade asikuani bi so de ba bechem. Enkran ha.
Masa. Ntuba ni odba no na igu of anko ho na obodo se duba no.
There be some manya yi.
This is confession. This is confession.
Oh, na me
ko ba no a wodo se duba ya niema a woje ye na adu of anko na igu na oba ye.
Na so of anko nya honam.
Hey, masa. Ya ni asem na akeka nam nya ti.
Edi Kumasi radio de na
gangster for no yesi chese nipa ye wo embotem ho no mo no ene ewusika hwe oni afa o mobile phone wada ni afa omo nipa wo no mo sa na prosifo adi won tente
eti omo ye kwashe boys David Champon
Felix Mensa kwashe boys ba
tell bi wo ho no mo ahwe ya nte ase
kwashe
wa ahwe ya bayira o
onu jira asa agura asamudi nkomo obi twam ko baka sadam mienu moya anyonkufo
sa hansem ne ye kira ase brofo ma kwagu se na mete se kalebule say clever bully
and you can
kalebule or ye kalebule
and yes ye because akwa wo takum neze taikuno gangalia no tiase gang leader
oh we do gangalia o masa
gang leader
na he kwakwata yo se no gangalia
and they were fan pa
eti chronicle somode abetudwa bi eno no na Abu Ramadan so setiefo be kaye Abu Ramadan ne kokoto edi apomdin si achi bankrata ya na nipa bi se ye gina so tumi di twere din kwa abatwo mu no ode kokoto ma Supreme Court ruli ye seda bi wonu mu a chese wagina so kura de atwe bodin ye nyimfrim na Abu Ramadan se wo court ruling ye ba ye Jamagana phobia antiase was Supreme Court edi kanya ruling that say eba enkrata ya ye gina so kasa ye betwero din wa abato nwuma a o se voters ID na nka ho court na ruling da eti enura odi hunchire mu press conference o ye no odi baaye na IPAC meeting no me refi nka hu ya nka bisa Dr. Maye odike say ye senke kade nka odike wa vanity and electoral commission wo wonu da bi o te party ni aje firi ne nsam na party wo ti a hwe running mate ni sa eniema na amanfo yi ni nyina munyi keke o wo mu hwe obi anipa no chese control kakra betuma control ni kakra na odike di offer boys e hye wase ya da bi ani aje party na firi yese na anu wo yes wo wura dem na boys nse masa where you dey go wo party no wo didi ho wo di aya dodode na annam na adi gigi skanti ya yiwadi odike si fufuo mu ha odike si fufuo mu
CJ asem na yafu meni so boys na yi odike no attend the party
odike kwa na etumi ensem we ka wa parties ni ya mwate ba mi ensa ma ni nyina ye yi na di age free ni nsem na we die wo so omo ye yiram party we don fama boys no eti okoye na boys na di kan wo so omo no mko represent party no na o se masa me kam che mo se ma yi madi na mo ye dan na omo so yeso ye yiwadi masa hen kan jo se ye yiwadi work out no di ke boys na mmati kumidie yi ma tina ye se
we be ma beje
wo firi ho boys na pam no mum omtumi pam
ojamomo we ne friends feel ntu akramo
betu
ya de besia
tie fancy ya de besi na yese Ghana Awurade Adom se omanfo a COVID-19 no etai do kro wom se ba na eba fom ti ye mpa ebo ne se ebe kokra what you say omumie bie ba ni ntum na boys aye one okru mo omumie ba ni ntum omumie
na wo ka sam hwe Joshua Tigwa anim
da bi se enye onu kwa na gina ho kobi store su gina ho nti e bia na me ka fo omumie
Jim FM
na kobi store me ho kobi store video bia washa a mask okodi fufu say na the revision washa mask what fufu di kura de
no na aka say ni ogina chire ho no mum na ka hwe na ni PMs
dem say me pass mama
mamonyesa
pass mama ade nchi
eyi
babra
wakuma kra
esukuma krache ka hwe na ni
unza usije no wo no ya fine man
na wana enye fine man
kruma no omo oji ni say ankasa de me judi chen obi o dem ha
me that's all
judi de awa kan ya fine
me that's all Any of us try don't know we don't be a kwaku dukume edina poso Abraham and Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy speed made batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk, latex from your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana, the future is you. And Afi Agbeve Herbal Center. Waya resefi. Me jam home by the sports neighbor and one channel. Me want 2 big interviews. Me de bebro. Eti cheme. Okuma nkra ba kwa waka ensroja. Aye krado sanso and the mysterious